Hey team, we've noticed the struggle has been real at our gates here, so we want to give you guys some quick tips and tricks to make your process more seamless. The gates scan on the left-hand side of the gate itself. So when you approach the gate and you have multiple things or tickets in your pocket, the gate probably won't open for you. Make sure you have your pass in your left-hand side, then you shouldn't have any issues and you can enjoy the ride. More cards, more problems. Make sure you take your card out of your stack and put it in your left-hand side. So another issue we've noticed is you have your pass too close to your phone. So if you notice here, it's not going to open the gate. As soon as I take my phone away, the gate opens for us. So if you get stopped at the lift, we're going to send you here to Seasons Passes. Get your problem fixed and then check your ticket. And remember to reload your ticket before you arrive at the mountain. If you don't already have a reloadable ticket, you can purchase one online, take the receipt off your phone, and scan it at this machine here. Take your ticket to the lift gate for smooth scanning every visit.